Difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Welcome to AI.SmartBytes. Today, we'll explore the fascinating differences between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. AI, ML, and DL, buzzwords that power modern technology. But are these terms interchangeable? Not quite. What sets these concepts apart? Let's break it down. Picture a pyramid, AI at the top, ML in the middle, and DL at the base. I equals the big umbrella, ML equals a subset, and DL equals a specialized subfield. Artificial intelligence powers systems that mimic human intelligence. Let's start with artificial intelligence. AI is the art of mimicking human intelligence. It powers tasks like recognizing speech, making decisions, and more. For example, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa are practical applications of AI. Self-driving cars are another impressive use case, utilizing AI to navigate and make real-time decisions. AI also helps robots solve problems intelligently and encompasses all systems designed to act smart. Now, let's dive deeper into machine learning, ML. Machine learning is all about teaching computers to learn from data. ML enables systems to recognize patterns and make predictions. Think of it as data-driven intelligence. It's what helps apps predict weather, filter email spam, and recommend your next favorite show on Netflix. Unlike traditional programming, ML models improve over time as they process more data. This learning relies heavily on high-quality input data. The better the data, the better the results. Next, let's explore deep learning, DL, a powerful subset of ML. Deep learning uses artificial neural networks inspired by the human brain to handle unstructured data like images, videos, and audio. One of its strengths is automating feature extraction without human intervention. This enables technologies like facial recognition, natural language processing, and even generating human-like text responses. Deep learning is also behind innovations like ChatGPT and voice assistants. However, DL requires vast datasets and significant computational power to function effectively. So, how do AI, ML, and DL work together? Think of AI as the vision, mimicking human intelligence. ML is the method, learning from data to improve performance. And DL is the toolkit, solving complex tasks using advanced neural networks. Together, they transform industries and redefine possibilities. AI-powered technologies are reshaping healthcare, finance, entertainment, and more. AI is the entire universe of intelligent systems, ML is a smaller domain focused on learning from patterns, and DL is a specialized field within ML. Each level of technology builds on the one before, unlocking new capabilities and driving innovation. So how are these technologies used in the real world? In healthcare, AI-powered systems help diagnose diseases, analyze medical images, and recommend treatment plans. In finance, ML models detect fraud, analyze market trends, and even automate trading. Self-driving cars combine AI, ML, and DL to navigate and make decisions in real time. The entertainment industry uses AI to recommend movies, personalize music playlists, and even create original content. Smart homes rely on AI for voice-activated assistants, automated temperature control, and enhanced security systems. Deep learning drives advancements in natural language processing, making chatbots and virtual assistants more human-like. In education, AI personalizes learning experiences by identifying areas where students need support and tailoring solutions. From agriculture to space exploration, AI, ML, and DL are being applied to solve real-world challenges. Looking ahead, the future of AI is incredibly exciting. We'll see even smarter systems that anticipate our needs and adapt in real time. The future of work will be shaped by AI, automation, and new roles requiring skills in AI and data analysis. Ethics will play a significant role, ensuring AI technologies are developed and used responsibly. Collaboration between humans and AI will continue to grow, leading to groundbreaking solutions for global challenges. It's clear that AI is revolutionizing industries and transforming how we live, work, and learn. Understanding these technologies opens new career opportunities and empowers you to innovate. So, how can you start your journey in AI? Begin with online courses to grasp the basics of AI. Explore real-world applications of AI in your daily life and join the growing community of AI enthusiasts. Learning skills like data analysis and coding can advance your career in this exciting field. AI, ML, and DL are tools for building a smarter future. And now is the perfect time to dive in. Subscribe to AI.SmartBytes for more engaging and informative content. Together, let's uncover the smart side of technology. Your journey into AI starts now. Stay curious, keep exploring, and thank you for watching AI.SmartBytes.